This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag update for September 29th. Corn values were on the defensive yesterday as we were pressured by strength in the U.S. dollar. Additional pressure stemmed from harvest pressure as corn harvest starts to really get rolling. Early reports are that yields are coming in better than expected. At the close, we had December futures 7 cents lower, settling at $5.32.5 per bushel. Soybean prices were pressured from harvest activity as well as a broad-based sell-off in the U.S. stock market and a stronger U.S. dollar. Farmers have been getting after this year's soybean crop as weather continues to be mostly favorable and the crop continues to dry down. At the close, November soybean futures were 10.5 cents lower, ending the session at $12.77 per bushel. The wheat market was a follower of weakness in the row crops. Pressure also stemmed from strength in the U.S. dollar. In Europe, EU wheat prices closed higher on hopes of France being awarded business in an Algerian wheat tender because of the rising Russian wheat prices. European prices drew additional support from weakness in the euro. At the close, Minneapolis December futures were 14.25 cents lower as they settled at $9.0725. Kansas City was down 15.75 cents to close at $7.05 per bushel, and Chicago futures were 15.75 cents lower for the day, closing at $7.06.5. Cotton continues to be squeezed as it made yet another life of contract high. At the finish, the December futures were 198 points higher, closing at $101.03 per hundred. Livestock futures were mixed. At the finish, we had December live cattle 30 cents lower, closing at $127.50. November feeder cattle were $1.47.5 higher as they settled out at $157.05. And after gapping higher in Monday's trade, December lean hog futures had another strong performance. They were $2.05 higher as they closed at $83.57.5 per hundredweight. Class 3 milk futures had yet another pretty solid day. At the close, we had the November futures 26 points higher, settling at $17.54. And meat cutout values were all lower in yesterday's session. Choice box beef ended the day down $1.14, closing at $301.56. Select boxes were 3 cents lower as they settled at $274.35. And pork carcass cutout values' recent run higher came to a close as they were down $3.83 for the session, settling at $108.12 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.